Hello anatomy students, these are your video instructions for week 4 and our topic for this week is the immune system. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen to show you the assignment that you'll be working on for this week. Okay, so for this week you're going to watch 3 crash course videos and they're all on the immune system. So the crash course videos are Crash Course Immune System Part 1, Crash Course Immune System Part 2, and then the last one is Part 3. Excuse me. Okay, so the assignment is going to be a Google Sheet, and it's a crossword. It's an electronic crossword. And there are three videos, so there's going to be 3 parts to the crossword. So you'll see here down at the bottom is Part 1, and the parts correspond with the video as well. So if you're on Part 1 of the crossword, you're watching Crash Course Immune System Part 1. And to make it as easy as possible for all of you, the title for this assignment right up here, Crash Course Immune System, is a link. So if you click on that, it should take you to the corresponding Crash Course video. I just want to make sure.
To fly a rocket.
Yes, and it's Immune System Part 1. Okay, so let me just double check while I'm here right now just to make sure that Part 2 is actually Part 2. And Part 2 is smaller. It's the smallest of all 3 parts. And it says Part 2, so we're good there. And then let me just check the last one. So the largest crossword is Part 1, I think, with 11 terms. Part 2 only has 4, and then Part 3, I think, has 7, if I remember correctly. Yes. Alright, so let me just check this link. So if you just click on that link, it should take you to the correct corresponding video. And it is Part 3. Okay, so you're good to go there. And the other thing I wanted to show you on the crossword puzzles is that I added the number as a note. So if I just hover over this, it'll say 1 down. If I hover over this one over here, it's 2 down. So 2 down this way and 1 across this way. So wherever you see a little black triangle in the upper right hand corner, it tells you what number it's for, either down or across. And then at the bottom you have the clues, and this might bother some of you that they're not in numerical order, but I did this on purpose to try to make it as easy as possible. So you'll actually find these clues in the order that they appear in the video. So if you just start Part 1 of the Immune System Crash Course video, as you're watching, you're going to get this answer first. And this is just a place for you to write the answer. So you could have 2 screens open, this assignment and the YouTube screen that you're watching in the video. And then as it comes up, you can pause that and then just come over here and type the answer. And then the second answer that comes up in the video is going to be number 5 down. So even though they're not in numerical order here, they are in order that they appear in the video. So trying to make it as easy as possible for all of you. So this is just kind of where you're taking your notes down, your terms or words as you go through, and then just go back up and then match them up with the correct box. Alright, and then don't forget there's a Part 1, there's a Part 2, and then there's a Part 3, and Part 1 is the longest with 11 terms, Part 2 is the shortest with 4, and Part 3 has 7 terms. And the videos are about 9 minutes long. Okay, that was all that I had for today. I hope all of you are staying safe. Keep in touch if you have any concerns. Email me. Oh, and then this is Spirit Week, so I've placed as part of the stream every day I'll be putting the theme for Spirit Week or day, and then I'll also maybe try to include a picture to get us going. So go ahead and post your pictures there if you feel like sharing. Alright, have a good week, stay safe, bye.